JotForm tutorial for beginners 2023 step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about JotForm, and in this video I'll be trying to portraying, different powerful forms that you can create using this amazing JotForm platform. So without wasting any more of your time, let's get started. So as you can see, this is the JotForm platform and it looks like the main interface of everything, and you can use this incredible platform to use any of the features you want to get done on, and powerful forms can get it done. They believe the right form makes all the difference. So go from busy work to less work with powerful forms that use conditional logic, accept payments, generate reports, and automate workflows. So to start things off, basically you can sign up with your Google, sign up with your Facebook, or sign up with your email. It's totally free. They don't take any money for you. Obviously, there's different pricings that you can check out for yourself. You can see their products over here as well. Obviously, form builder, enterprise, apps, tables, mobile app, etc. So for now, I'm going to go ahead and click on sign up with email. And once you click on sign up with email, obviously it leads you to the whole sign up form. And this is exactly something that we're going to be creating later on in the video, because this is a sign up form. But sign up forms are mainly used to, gain subscribers and gain viewers, or to gain insight for other people that are going to be invited to your platform, okay, to basically gain contacts. This is obviously to sign you up with the platform. So there's a big difference in what this is and what we're going to be doing. So obviously enter your email. And once you do that, agree to their terms and service, and finally click on sign up. And once you do that, it brings you here. So it says, help us understand your needs. Head start your JotForm experience with more related content and solution for your business. You can add in an organization name like I did, what this organization, what you are. I'm going to go with CAO. Industry, let's go with IT and technology, and I'm going to go ahead and click to finish. And once you click to finish, obviously it takes you to My Forms, which is essentially the main page that we're going to be doing most of the work on. And here, you have a lot of options to create your first form. So over here, it says create your first form. Create a blank form or choose from selected templates to start gathering data. Appointment request form, customer satisfaction survey form, feedback form, hotel booking form, medical history form. There's different types of form that you can use. Or you can just start from scratch if you want to. That totally depends on whatever your taste and, work is. So start from scratch, use the other features that you're provided. All depends on you. Now, once we've actually, made sense of that, and once we've made an understanding of how all that works, what we're going to do from there is, let's say I'm going to go for scratch. Okay, you can use a template later on if you want to, but I'm going to go with starting from scratch. And once you do starting from scratch, it gives you two options: classic form and card form. In classic form, you can see show all questions on one page. In card form, you can see show single question per page. Now, again, this also depends on whatever you want to go with. I'm going to go with the show single, because I've seen this from personal experience as well as other people's experiences. I would much rather go with a card form. Now, here it says upload your organization logo. So obviously you're going to drop a logo, which is going to be used to show what your organization represents, which is obviously what you can do. Now, I'm going to go with some random logo. I'm just going to go randomly with a Nike logo just for an example. Once you do that, click on save. Once you do this, it brings you here. So drag your first question from the left, and you can start adding form elements from the left-hand side over here. So these are the basic questions you can ask. These are payment questions, and these are widgets, okay? So in this case, let's go ahead and add a section header, and this will give it a title, okay? We're gonna call it shoe sale, okay? Type a subheader. I'm gonna go with setup header like don't miss out. Okay, write that. Now, obviously, when someone clicks on next, they're gonna obviously come down over to another page, right? So this is gonna be your welcome page. Then moving on, you're gonna add some things down here. So you're gonna ask for the person's full name. Once you ask for the person's full name, you're gonna ask for their email address. Okay. Now, once these two things are asked, I think that should be pretty well off. Okay, you can ask for other things if you want to, like address or phone number, but a lot of people don't really feel comfortable giving those things. They're fine with giving their email, but address and phone number is not very useful thing. So you can leave that out if you want to. Then moving on, let's say there's a shoe sale and you don't want them to miss out, then you can, add some timer or add a multiple choice question or even, different. So let's say I'm going to add some time over here. So you can ask them that what is your time zone, and according to their time zone, you can, give them the type of shoe that they get a sale on. Just play a fun little game with them just to gain their name and email. And you can obviously write these things in descriptions as well. So there we go. Then you can add different payment settings as well. So you have different payment gateways. You have Square, PayPal Business, PayPal Personal, Invoicing, Stripe, Braintree, PayPal Pro, Apple Pay, Google Pay, all these different ways that you can pay for yourself. So let's say I'm going to go with PayPal Business, bring it down here. So here we have PayPal Business, and you can ask people to, pay in either debit, credit, or their PayPal. And you can connect your PayPal differently. You have different modes, you have different currencies, payment types. So let's say you can sell products, user defined amount, collect donations. I'm going to go with sell products. Payment method, show debit or cash, show PayPal, etc. Click on continue. Obviously, you are going to authorize a PayPal account and authenticate using the PayPal Connect button. And obviously, you're going to connect to a certain PayPal account from your side. So just go ahead and connect with your PayPal business account. Okay, don't connect your personal account to the business gateway or the business connect. Okay. And once you're done with all of this, you can go into the form setting. And form setting is also pretty useful because here is where you're going to basically keep names for the form, keep statuses. You can encrypt different form datas. Like, let's say you want to, actually secure the form from any, you could say, indulgent or, privacy breach. So you can do that. Then there's emails, which is basically when an email is added in this, you can auto respond to them. There's conditions where you can set up conditional logics, which is, in a way, a type of automation technique, which is also a pretty fun and useful feature, not going to lie. You can use that for yourself as well, and it's pretty useful. So I would 100% recommend this feature as well. So once you get the, thought process of that, then there's integrations. And integrations is very useful. Like, trust me, it's extremely useful, and you will not regret using this feature because it truly helps you, use your JotForm much easier. And because it integrates it with different platforms, and I just love that feature about this. Now, basically, that's about it for this video. If you enjoyed watching, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in which I help you make forms and gather in contacts, let me know down in the comments below. Till then, that's about it from me. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.